Ever bought a blender that quit halfway through your morning rush? Today I'm revealing the top 6 best juicer and blender combos that save time, space and frustration. Stick around to find your perfect match and grab them easily through the links in the description before you waste another single dollar. On number 6 is Breville Commercial 70 ounces. Most kitchen machines quit right when your morning pace speeds up, but the right juicer and blender doesn't flinch. When people shop the top 6 best juicer and blender, the real fear is simple: wasted money, weak motors, and messy cleanups. Power promises are easy. Daily performance is not. That's where the Breville Commercial 70 ounces quietly changes the mood. The oversized 70 ounces jar handles family batches without stopping. The commercial grade motor stays steady under frozen fruit, dense greens, and ice. Stainless steel blades cut clean instead of smashing ingredients into foam. Compared with others to compact, Breville trades portability for stamina. It's heavier. And yes, priced higher. But it doesn't stall mid-blend or overheat after back-to-back smoothies. For homes chasing cafe-level results, that reliability feels like relief. You blend once. You pour once. And the kitchen finally keeps up with you. At number 5 is EanOruus Juicer. Most kitchens fail the moment leafy greens meet cheap blades and mornings pay the price. That's why the top 6 best juicer and blender category matters. People want one machine that doesn't stall, leak or waste produce. Real life needs power control and less cleanup. Enter the EanOruus Juicer, quietly holding its ground among bigger names. Its high-torque motor handles hard carrots and soft berries without turning the counter into a crime scene. The wide feed chute saves prep time. The juice comes out smooth, not foamy, thanks to efficient pulp separation and steady RPM control. Micro pause. Now the honest part. It's not ultra silent and it lacks the luxury finish of premium models like Breville. But it costs less and performs where it counts. Compared to compact blenders, EanOruus handles whole fruits better and keeps nutrients intact. If you're tired of buying appliances that promise everything and deliver frustration, this one feels like relief in motion. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't louder, it's simply reliable. At number 4 is QCen Juicer 800 watts. Most people don't quit healthy habits because of willpower, they quit because their juicer makes mornings exhausting. When you explore the top 6 best juicer and blender options, one problem shows up fast: bulky machines, weak motors, and endless cleanup. That's where the QCen Juicer 800 watts quietly earns attention. Its 800-watt motor handles hard fruits and leafy greens without that frustrating stop and start struggle. The wide feed chute saves prep time, which matters on rushed mornings. Short pause. Real talk. It's not silent, and the pulp container fills quickly if you're juicing for a family. But the stainless steel filter extracts juice cleanly, and the dual speed control actually feels useful, not decorative. Compared with others, QCen pushes more power and faster results, though it trades a bit of compactness. For buyers balancing value, speed, and daily usability, it fits naturally among the top 6 best juicer and blender picks. You don't feel sold, you feel prepared. On number 3 is Hamilton Beach Juicer. Most people don't quit healthy habits because of motivation, they quit because their kitchen tools slow them down. When searching for the top 6 best juicer and blender, the real struggle is balance. Power versus noise. Speed versus cleanup. Price versus durability. That's where the Hamilton Beach Juicer quietly earns attention. Start with mornings. A wide-mouth feed chute that swallows whole fruits saves time. A strong motor handles hard apples and leafy greens without begging for breaks. Juice comes out smooth, not foamy, which matters more than specs ever will. But let's be honest. It's not silent, and it won't replace a premium cold-press juicer. Compared with others, it focuses less on fancy presets and more on getting the job done daily. For households comparing options in the best juicer and blender category, this model leans practical. Easy cleanup. Consistent results. It doesn't promise perfection, just fewer excuses between you and a healthier routine, and sometimes that's exactly the win. At number 2 is Cuisinart Compact. Your kitchen doesn't need more power, it needs smarter power, and that's where most buyers get stuck. Searching for the top 6 best juicer and blender often turns into a maze of bulky machines, loud motors, and wasted counter space. Real life is faster than that. Morning juices. Quick smoothies. No cleanup drama. This is where the Cuisinart Compact quietly earns attention. Its compact blender design fits small kitchens without feeling limited. Stainless steel blades handle frozen fruit and fresh produce with ease, while the streamlined juice blending process keeps things quick and clean. Compared with others to larger, it sacrifices raw capacity but wins on daily usability. Less noise. Less storage stress. More grab-and-go energy. If you need industrial output, look elsewhere. If you want a reliable juicer-blender combo that respects your time and space, this one feels refreshingly human. Some tools shout to impress. This one works and lets your routine breathe again. Now moving to the last one is Ninja Mega BL770. Most people don't quit healthy habits because of motivation, they quit because their kitchen tools slow them down. That's the real frustration behind searching for the top 6 best juicer and blender. Too many machines. Too many compromises. Weak motors. Messy cleanup. Inconsistent results. Here's where balance matters. Across the top 6 best juicer and blender options, versatility separates the winners from the clutter. The Ninja Mega BL770 fits naturally into that conversation with its 1,500-watt motor, total crushing blades, and multiple pitcher and cup sizes that handle smoothies, frozen fruit, and even dough without hesitation. Daily use tells the real story. It saves time. It handles tough ingredients. It simplifies routines. But it's not silent, and its size demands counter space trade-offs worth noting. Compared with others, the Ninja Mega BL770 leans into power and flexibility rather than portability. That makes it ideal for families and batch prep, less perfect for tiny kitchens. In the end, the right choice isn't about hype, it's about choosing a tool that keeps momentum alive long after the unboxing excitement fades. Winner: Breville Commercial 70 Oz. The Breville Commercial 70 ounces juicer stands out as the top choice because it's a high-power, efficient commercial-grade centrifugal juicer with a 1,200W motor and large 70 ounces capacity, giving you fast juice extraction and consistently high yields with very dry pulp and easy cleaning, perfect for daily family use or entertaining guests. It's built to last with quality materials and great performance across fruits and vegetables, making it worth your investment over the others on your list. So guys, this was the video about the top 6 best juicer and blender. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.